everyone. I thought I would do just a little extra bonus video just as a major thank you to all of you. I was at work yesterday and just as I was finishing up my day there, I hit 10k on here. I am so incredibly happy and really thankful for all of you guys and the amazing support that I've received that has meant I could get to this stage. This has been such a big goal and it's really crazy to think that it is finally here. I have said this on my channel a few times, but I have been crocheting since I was 7. My nan first taught me when I was tiny, and I have been using crochet a lot throughout the years, especially since COVID hit, and it is such a big part of my life. I made the decision early last year that I really wanted to go full-time with crochet when it comes to content creating, a social media presence, teaching you guys new skills, as well as designing patterns. And it is safe to say that if you not only subscribe to my channel on here, but follow me on my other social media, it has really taken off this year, especially in the last few months. I'm so fortunate that I have just recently hit 20k on Instagram, nearly 23k at the time of filming this, and we're already at 10.2 on here. And I am just blown away by the amount of amazing support I have had from you guys. It's so amazing, and it's giving me that extra confidence to just continue doing what I love because I've got people out there that are enjoying it as well. You guys can expect a lot more from me. I'm currently very much in my designing era. As you can tell, I have a lot more designs that I'm planning on working on, a lot more tutorials that I want to work on, just anything and anything crochet, as I always say in my videos, and I'm having so much fun doing this content for you guys, and it's amazing seeing that you guys are enjoying this content from me as well. So again, thank you guys so much for 10k on here. It has been a really big goal for a really long time, so knowing that we've actually hit it is surreal. It's been great. I'm honestly speechless. I did not think it would be happening this soon. We've had a load of new subscribers recently, so hi if this is one of the first few videos you have seen of me. And just thank you for being here. It is so appreciated. Also, I will note this doesn't count as one of my 2 videos from this week, so you can still expect another 2 videos for later on in this week. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and sticking around. And now there are over 10,000 of us, which is just so crazy to say. Thank you guys again for also watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.